Ever wondered what wig suits your zodiac sign? Stay tuned to find out. We're matching your astrological essence with the perfect wig. It's going to be fun and fabulous. Let's find your perfect wig. Alright, first up, we have Aries. They're bold, adventurous, and always ready to charge ahead with boundless energy. They're not ones to shy away from a challenge, or a really vibrant hair color for that matter. So, what kind of wig screams, "I'm an Aries and I'm absolutely fabulous, darling"? It's got to be something that matches that unstoppable spirit. We're talking a fiery red wig. Think vibrant, dynamic. Here I come, world, and you better be ready. This isn't just any red, it's that look at me red. Whether it's a bold crimson, a sassy scarlet, a deep cherry, or even a punk rock flame orange, this wig is your ultimate statement piece. It says, "I'm not afraid to stand out, I'm not afraid to lead the charge." Go on, Aries, embrace that magnificent flame and let your hair do the talking. Next up, we have Taurus. Taurus truly understands the finer things in life. They appreciate comfort, beauty, and indulgence. Think plush velvet couches and gourmet snacks. Grounded and reliable, they love sensuality and luxury. Timeless elegance and quality are their go-to. Their wig must reflect sophisticated taste. Picture sleek, long, and luscious hair. Hair that flows like silk, rich in color. Deep chocolate browns, warm honey blondes, or glossy black. Glamorous length and refined sleekness. This wig is an experience. Feel utterly pampered and chic. The kind of hair that makes you want to turn your head. You deserve it, Taurus. Alright, let's chat about Gemini. Geminis, you are the social butterflies, always flitting from one fascinating conversation to another. You've got so many facets to your personality, it's like you're multiple amazing people rolled into one. You're curious, adaptable, and get bored easily if things stay the same for too long. Your wig needs to keep up with your dynamic nature and ever-changing moods. That's why for you, Gemini, we recommend a versatile wig that can be styled in multiple ways. Chapter 4, Cancer, Soft Waves of Nurturing. Now let's talk about our caring Cancers. Cancer, you are the heart of the zodiac, nurturing and deeply connected to emotions. You create a sense of home and value genuine connections. Your ideal wig should feel like a warm hug. We envision a soft, wavy wig for you. Think gentle waves in a warm, inviting color. Chapter 5, Leo, the Glamorous Head-Turner. Alright, make way because Leo is entering the building. Leos, you are the royalty of the zodiac, the natural-born leaders, the performers who live for the spotlight. You're confident, charismatic, and have incredible magnetism. Your wig needs to be as fabulous and attention-grabbing as your personality. For our magnificent Leos, it has to be a voluminous, glamorous wig that turns heads. Go on, Leo, let that mane shine. Chapter 6, Virgo, Polished Perfection. Next up, we have our meticulous and marvelous Virgos. Virgos, you are the perfectionists of the zodiac. You have an incredible eye for detail and strive for excellence. You appreciate things that are well-made and tidy. Your ideal wig should reflect order and elegance. We suggest a neat and polished bob wig. Think sharp lines and a perfectly cut silhouette. This style screams competence and grace. Whether it's a classic chin-length bob or a sleek A-line, colors should be classic and refined. This wig is the epitome of less is more. It's practical and always looks stylish. It says, "I have everything under control." Chapter 7, Libra, Balanced Beauty. Libra, the sign of harmony, beauty, and impeccable taste. Ruled by Venus, you appreciate balance and symmetry. Your wig should be a masterpiece of balance and style. We recommend a balanced and elegant wig with soft curls or gentle waves. Chapter 8, Scorpio, Mysterious Allure. Alright, let's delve into the depths of Scorpio. Scorpios, you are the most intense and mysterious sign of the zodiac. You're passionate, powerful, and captivating. There's always more to you than meets the eye. Your style reflects your enigmatic quality. You embody looks with unique intensity. Your wig should match your powerful vibe. We suggest a dark, edgy wig. Think deep, mysterious colors, sharp and angular or long and dramatic. This wig makes a powerful statement. Embrace your inner femme fatale or hero. A look that says, "I know things you don't." Go on, Scorpio, mesmerize them all. Chapter 9, Sagittarius, Adventurous and Playful. Sagittarius, the adventurer and eternal optimist of the zodiac, always seeking new experiences and horizons. Your enthusiasm and love for freedom are unparalleled. Your style should reflect your fun-loving, free-spirited nature. A playful, vibrant wig is perfect for you. Capricorns, the ultimate bosses of the zodiac. Hardworking, determined, and capable of building from the ground up. You value tradition, structure, and timeless style. Your wig should reflect power and elegance. Think sleek, polished, and professional. Perfect for the CEO of their own life. Now, let's get wonderfully weird with Aquarius. Aquarians, you are the wonderfully eccentric visionaries of the Zodiac. You march to the beat of your own drum, always thinking outside the box. Your style is ahead of its time, reflecting your forward-thinking approach. So your wig needs to be as bold and creative as your Aquarian spirit. We recommend a bold, unconventional wig color or style. Think electric blues, vibrant purples, pastel pinks, or even a rainbow creation. This is your chance to really play and experiment. Or perhaps an asymmetrical style, a futuristic bob or something avant-garde. This wig is your canvas to showcase your creativity. Celebrate your individuality and inspire others. Go on, Aquarius, shock us and delight us. And last but certainly not least, we float into the dreamy realm of Pisces. Pisces, you are the mystics, the artists, the compassionate dreamers of the Zodiac. You are intuitive, empathetic, and have an ethereal quality. You see the world through a romantic, imaginative lens. Your style is whimsical, flowing, and artistic. A wig that captures an enchanting, otherworldly vibe. Dreamy, pastel-colored wigs with soft, ethereal quality. Think lavender, seafoam green, baby blue, or rose gold. Long, flowing waves or soft, romantic curls. The texture should be soft and touchable. Embrace your imagination and connection to the magical. For those who believe in fairy tales and bring enchantment to life, let your hair be as artistic and beautiful as your soul. And there you have it. A wig for every sign of the Zodiac. Wasn't that fun? I hope you enjoyed our little astrological journey through the world of wigs. From fiery Aries to dreamy Pisces, we tried to capture the essence of each sign in a hairstyle. Now I am dying to know, did your wig match your Zodiac sign? Or maybe you're an Aries who's secretly craving that Piscean pastel dream. Let me know in the comments below. I read them, you know. Sometimes, when I'm not trying on wigs. Seriously though, your comments are what make this so much fun. It's like a big, fabulous, hair-loving family here. And speaking of family, if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.